Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Blender, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your laptop or PC and search for Blender. Open the first website and you will be redirected to this type of page. In order to download Blender, click on Download button here. In order to download Blender for your specific platform, choose the platform type from this drop-down menu here, and after choosing the platform, select Download Blender. You can see that the downloading has been started. After the downloading completes, you can install the application by running it. And that's how you can download Blender. Hope you like the video. Thanks.